Example 6. Interpreting horizontal versus vertical shifts. Now the function g of m gives the number of gallons of gas required to drive m miles. We want to interpret g of m plus 10 and g of m plus 10. Now, number one, if we look at the first one, so if we look at g of m plus 10, okay, it can be interpreted as adding 10 to the output, meaning to the gallons. So this is the gas required to drive m miles plus another 10 gallons of gas. So the graph would indicate a vertical shift. Okay, now g of m plus 10 can be interpreted as adding 10 to the input. Okay, so this is the number of gallons of gas required to drive 10 miles or more than m miles. So the graph would then indicate a horizontal shift. So if we have our standard function of f of x equals x squared, okay, if we had a function and we wanted to shift it to the right, that means we're taking n and x and subtracting 10 to the input and then squaring it. If we wanted to shift this to the left, that means we're taking the input and adding 10 to the input and then squaring it. Now, if we wanted to shift this up, then we're going to take 10 and add it to the output, which is x squared plus 10. And if we wanted to shift it down 10 units, we would take x squared and then subtract 10 from the output.